Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Emunk here, and I just finished my girls, both of them. They're little pillow costumes. I figured I would get on here and go ahead and show them to you guys because, well, they're quick and simple and easy, so might as well get them done and over with. I unfortunately didn't put it on them just yet, only because they're in bed right now, so I really don't want to wake them up. They had a pretty tough day today, but this is what they turned out to be. Here's my youngest. That one's hers. Here's my oldest. As you can see, very different in sizes. The cool thing about this one, about these costumes, is that Velcro, since both of my kids are in diapers, I need a costume that will come undone very easily if there's an accident. And I'll have them wear white long sleeves underneath and white pants underneath because it's going to be very cold. But this, once they actually get in it, it will fill out the whole thing. It'll actually look like a full pillow. So, in case y'all are interested, here is how you do it. I pre-measured this on my children beforehand, so I would highly advise you do that. Then just fold it in half once you get the measurement. And then all you're going to do is just cut where you put the lines on the neck and around the shoulders. And then once you get down to the bottom of the pillowcase, I just decided to just cut it off instead of rolling it up and hemming it. I couldn't get it to cooperate with me, and my kids are fairly short compared to these cases, so that was the easiest. After that, you grab some Velcro and hot glue and just Velcro right in the middle of it all and glue it there. And you're done. That is how you make them. Like I said, it's very simple, very easy. Not hard at all. It took a total of probably 10 minutes to make both of them. So, very inexpensive, very simple, but yet once I get the stroller put together and once everybody in my group gets together, it's going to look amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I am on Cosplay Amino if you want to look that up. It's a free little app that you can get on your phone. I am on there under Emunk060292. In case you want to look me up there, I do constant updates on that specific app. I also have a Facebook fan page under the same name if you would like to like the fan page, and I put up the videos there in case it's a little hectic trying to find them all. I figured I'd let y'all in on that, and I hope you enjoy. Hit like and subscribe.